So magandang araw kabala, sa video na ito kabala, may bago po kabala na pasabog ang Spin.ph staff kabala. Sino kayo yung Spin.ph staff po na yun kabala sa palagay nyo? And then of course, may mga happenings po around the league. So insert natin muna sa comments po ng mga fans. So may di pa nakasubscribe, pakapindot naman po yung subscription button. At Anthony Alon, Mikey Williams sa SMB, sana matuloy yan. Shoutout po idol, let's go SMB. So Mikey Williams kabola to SMB. Of course, sino ba namang fans ng San Miguel na ayaw diyan kabola, diba? Ikaw ba, fans sa San Miguel, ayaw mo ba na makuha si Mikey Williams with the struggles that you have now kabola? Let me remind you, you still have arguably a top 2 rooster kabola, a top 2 starting 5 in terms of locals, and yet you are badly struggling. Ronald Burbuceda, pa-shoutout sir. Malyari Mascarinhas, pa-shoutout naman idol. Regards to SMB getting Mikey, sinasabi ko na ang totoo mangyayari kaya wala namang intensyon makuha si Stan ng TNT kasi gusto ng TNT kunin yung playing rights daw ni Kiefer Ravena. So you are implying kabola that Ravena will return soon dito po sa PBA, ganun po ba yan? Possible, pero yun nga ang nakarelasyon niya currently, if I'm not mistaken, meron breed kabola, meron pong lahi. So if that's the case, actually na pati yung family reasons kasi na parang rason ni Baltasar kabola kaya po siya bumalik, rason din po yun kabola ng iba pang bumalik kabola from a quick turnaround kabola from their stint in the International League. Parang hindi yun pwedeng gamitin just in case po ni Kiefer kasi baka hindi naman dito yung preferred po ng girlfriend niya na gawan ng pag-build upan po ng family. Ronald Rebusit, malabo yung trade na yan, si Perez pwede pa. So Converge na lang, Arana ang buhat pa ibibigay nila plus. So, we will see, kabola. Of course, Perez for Mikey Williams will be a big win for TNT. And there's no way kabola that i-consider po yan ng San Miguel Beermen. Now, ito na nga po, ito pong si Reno Shine kabola, si Coach Yengyao, hindi naman siya ganun kalungkot no, sa kanila pong losing streak. And actually, maganda rin talaga yung mindset niya wake up call daw ito for Rain Ocean. Basta importante sa kanya, they're still competing. Yung level kung ba ng competitive nila na every game, yun yung importante na masustain po ng mga bata niya. So ganun po mag-build up ng team talaga si Coach Yengyao. Talagang ini-instill niya kabola yung kumbaga hard work sa mga games kabola. Sa mga coaches dyan na gustong musubong, you better try to follow that. Now, meron po tayong column dito, questioning kabola, ito pong playing time ni Lucero. Pero sa akin lang naman, he's already averaging at around 26 minutes. So, sabi kasi dito, he should be a starter. For me, wala na yun di ba kabola? Yung opinion kabola na dapat yung starter mo is yung best 5 mo, parang gano'n kasi yung point. Hindi naman yan statistically kabola na proven kabola. So, yung 26 minutes ni Lucero, for me, hindi naman malayo siya dun sa, kumbaga, pwede mong sabihin na important siyang player dun sa kanila pong core. Pero for me lang, siguro, ang sinasabi din talaga nito is yung, kumbaga, inability nung current na coaching staff talaga na maayos po kabola yung kanilang rotation. Yun yung pinapakita nito. Although for me, of course, Lucero, he deserves all the praises kabola. He deserves all the na nakukuha niya like this one kabola kasi talaga naman yung kanya pong ceiling is really high. Now, ito lang pasabog po ng Spin.ph, which for me is really shocking. Ito daw Converge, they are willing to trade Justin Arana, who just have a very, very bad injury kabola, if they will get Mikey Williams. For me, this is really shocking. Arana is very young. Arana has proven to be a potential, consistent top 10 center in the league kabola. So, para sa akin, that should not be a guy that is easy to trade. Especially for a guy with a lot of issues like Mikey Williams. Especially for an old guy like Mikey Williams, kabola. Especially if you have a lot of good on-ball guards and wings already. So for me, really questionable call for me for Converge if this is true. Pwede rin naman negotiation tactics lang yan, kabola. So, we do not know. Like, pwede rin namang competitive tactic lang din. Baka galing sa TNT ang rumor na yan. Pwede mo kasing sabihin na para medyo yung chemistry dito po ng Converge, medyo masway, di ba kabola? Kasi ito, pag narinig to ni Arana, although injured siya ngayon, kabola, malamang may, may hit ng konti sa chemistry, ganun po yan, kabola. So, lahat yan ng factor, kabola, pwedeng in-play dito. So, wag agad natin paniniwalaan, pero of course, kung si Snow ang source nito, malamang very reliable ito. Pero sa mga pansang Converge, wag din naman agad malungkot or yung mga against dito sa idea nito, kabola, kasi malamang, hindi naman, or wala pang deal po na nangyayari. Ikaw ba kabola sa palagay mo? Arana kayo makukuha ng TNT? Comment